Welcome to BMeks Info channel. Here I will teach you to make your computer boot faster and perform better as well. Only subscribe if this tip works for you. We would be happy if you like and share our videos to enable your friends to benefit from these tips. The tip involves disabling some high-impact applications that you don't always make use of. Disabling them will make your system to boot faster and better. These applications boot along whenever you press your computer start button and they slow the entire process. So how do you disable some of these applications? First, go to your Windows search bar and type Task Manager. When Task Manager pops up, just click Open. And under the Task Manager, just select Start Up at the left-hand side. And this brings up all the applications that are currently enabled and are running in your computer. And these are the applications that boot along with your system. Whenever you press the Start button, you have to disable some of them, especially the ones you don't always make use of, as I said earlier. That will boost your system performance. So how do you go about disabling them? Under the Status, check the impact of each application. Just go through the applications and choose the ones you hardly use. For instance, I don't always make use of Microsoft Edge. So you can see how I clicked on it and disabled it. WhatsApp is also disabled here, so let's assume I don't want to be using Muse Hub. You can see Muse Hub here. Just follow me on the screen. Just click on it and go down and click Disable. And it is disabled. If you want to enable it again, just click on it and go down here and click Enable. So the same process applies to anyone you don't want. Just click on it, go down here and click Enable or Disable, and that solves the problem. And once you've done this, your computer is going to boot very fast. Close the windows and restart your system to enable the changes. Please support us by subscribing. Thanks.